Honey, the golden elixir of health and vitality, has been cherished for centuries. Let me share the top 5 benefits of this sweet nectar. First, its antioxidant power protects your cells from harm. Second, its antibacterial properties aid in healing and prevent infections. Third, as a natural energy source, it's perfect for a pre-workout boost. Fourth, it's a soothing cough relief with its throat-coating magic. And fifth, honey is a digestive aid, promoting good gut bacteria and enhancing nutrient absorption. Embrace the sweetness of honey for a healthier you.